Progress happens when you have the freedom to focus on your ideas. That's why Formlabs is dedicated to building the most streamlined 3D printing solutions, from remote, one-click printing to automated production. Now you can print more continuously, affordably, and sustainably with the highest performance materials in the industry, using Formlabs' resin pumping system. At 5 times the capacity of a standard resin cartridge, Formlabs' resin pumping system means printing doesn't have to stop when you leave work. Whether you require higher volumes of resin for batch production or unattended turnarounds of large critical parts, the resin pumping system safeguards your material streams, no supervision required. To seamlessly integrate it with your existing hardware, simply insert the pump, press print, and walk away. Then monitor your print job remotely from Dashboard, our free online platform. Formlabs' resin pumping system saves you valuable time and money the more you use it, with fewer interactions for lower labor costs and lower price per liter with bulk resin pricing. Dramatically streamline your operations with less packaging waste and a smaller footprint. Whether you're using it to scale production or print next-day parts, Formlabs' resin pumping system empowers you with more continuous, affordable, and sustainable print operations, so you can continue to focus on what you do best. Formlabs, so anyone can make anything.